Imagine a star system with not one, not two, but 7 Earth-sized planets, all of them rocky, and some of them potentially habitable. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the Trappist-1 system, and it's one of the most exciting discoveries in the search for extraterrestrial life. Today, we're diving into this incredible system, what makes it so special, what these planets are like, and whether we could ever call one of them home. Let's get started. Trappist-1 is a red dwarf star located about 40 light-years away in the constellation Aquarius. It's tiny compared to our Sun, just 9% of its mass and about half as warm. But what makes this star truly remarkable is its family of 7 planets, all roughly the size of Earth or smaller. These planets are so close to their star that their orbits would fit comfortably within the distance between the Sun and Mercury. But don't let that fool you. 3 or 4 of these worlds might actually be in the habitable zone, the sweet spot where liquid water could exist. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. Now, let's meet the 7 worlds of Trappist-1. Each one has its own unique personality, and some are more promising than others when it comes to habitability. 1. Trappist-1b. First up is Trappist-1b, the innermost planet. It's about the size of Earth, but it's scorching hot, with daytime temperatures reaching 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 225 degrees Celsius. Definitely not a vacation spot. 2. Trappist-1c. Next is Trappist-1c, a Venus twin. It's slightly smaller than Earth and just as hot, with surface temperatures around 225 degrees Fahrenheit, 107 degrees Celsius. Scientists think it's probably a rocky, barren world with no chance of life. 3-point Trappist-1d. Trappist-1d is a tiny world on the inner edge of the habitable zone. It's only about 78% the size of Earth and has less than half its mass. Some models suggest it could have a runaway greenhouse effect, making it more like Venus than Earth. 4. Trappist-1e. Now here's the star of the show, Trappist-1e. This planet is almost the same size as Earth and sits right in the middle of the habitable zone. It gets about the same amount of starlight as Earth gets from the Sun, making it the best candidate for liquid water, and maybe even life. 5. Trappist-1f. Trappist-1f is on the outer edge of the habitable zone. It's Earth-sized but much colder, with temperatures around -74 degrees Fahrenheit or -59 degrees Celsius. However, if it has a thick atmosphere, it might just be warm enough for liquid water. 6. Trappist-1g. Trappist-1g is a super-Earth, 30% more massive than our planet. It's probably too cold for life, but its large size means it could hold on to a thick atmosphere, making it a potential Hyson world, a planet with a global ocean beneath a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. 7. Trappist-1h. Finally, there's Trappist-1h, the outermost planet. It's a frozen world, likely covered in ice, with temperatures plunging to -148 degrees Fahrenheit, -100 degrees Celsius. Not exactly a tropical paradise. So, could any of these planets support life? The answer is maybe. Trappist-1e is the most promising candidate, with conditions that could allow for liquid water and a stable atmosphere. But we won't know for sure until we study their atmospheres more closely. That's where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. JWST is currently analyzing the Trappist-1 system, looking for signs of water, carbon dioxide, and even methane, gases that could hint at the presence of life. It's a slow process, but the results could be groundbreaking. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Trappist-1 is 40 light-years away. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take 40 years to get there. And with our current technology? Forget it. For example, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft, which flew by Pluto, would take nearly 900,000 years to reach Trappist-1. Projects like Breakthrough Starshot aim to send tiny laser-propelled probes to nearby star systems, but even those would take centuries to reach Trappist-1. So, for now, it's a destination we can only dream about. The Trappist-1 system is a tantalizing glimpse into the diversity of planets beyond our solar system. While we may never set foot on these worlds, studying them could help us answer one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into space and science. And let me know in the comments, which TRAPPIST-1 planet would you want to visit the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.